A day after the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah alleged that a few terrorists were part of both the BJP and RSS, today he's done a sudden U-turn, clarifying that he was referring to Hindutva terrorism. Another Congress Karnataka leader has also reiterated his stance, calling the BJP a party of Hindutva terrorists. Meanwhile, the BJP has launched an all-out attack on the Congress, calling it a party that patronizes terrorism and harbors extremist elements. The BJP goes on a war path, now demanding an apology from the Karnataka Chief Minister.
ಅವರೇ ಉಗ್ರಗಾಮಿಗಳು ಅಂತಾರ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಕೂಡ ಆರ್ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ ಬಜರಂಗದವರು ಕೂಡ ಉಗ್ರಗಾಮಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಿ ಯಾರೇ ಉಗ್ರಗಾಮಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಹಿಸಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಪಿಎಫ್ಐ ಇರಬಹುದು ಬಜರಂಗ ದಳ ಇರಬಹುದು ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮರಸ್ಯ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಸೌಹಾರ್ದತೆ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಕೋಮುವಾದ ಮಾಡೋರು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸಹಿಸಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂಘಟನೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಪಿಎಫ್ಐ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಎಸ್ಡಿಪಿಐ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಬಜರಂಗ ದಳ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ವಿಶ್ವ ಹಿಂದೂ ಪರಿಷತ್ನವ್ರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಹಿಂದುತ್ವ ಉಗ್ರವಾದಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹಿಂದುತ್ವ ಉಗ್ರವಾದಿಗಳು
Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah reiterated his statement today that there are elements in BJP and RSS who are extremist in nature. He said he didn't mean a terrorist, that his language has been twisted, but however he said that there are extremist elements in the organizations, and he said if you're looking for proof, you can look at the recent incidents, communal incidents in coastal districts where many of the lives were lost, and BJP and RSS extremist elements are behind it. Defending his statement, Home Minister said that these are extremists who are creating terror, hence there is nothing wrong in calling these people groups which are associated with BJP and RSS as terrorist groups. He also said the BJP is defending which is undefensible. The BJP, however, is planning to organize protests starting from tomorrow. They say that if the Chief Minister does not retract his statement, there will be a statewide agitation starting from tomorrow. It is called Jail Baro Andolan. The BJP is also planning to go ahead and file an FIR against the Chief Minister and Congress Working President Dinesh Gundurao for calling certain elements in BJP and RSS as terrorists and creating a bogey of what they claim as saffron terror.